Most Amazon sellers make these 3 deadly mistakes. Are you one of them? In today's video, I'm going to be diving into the 3 mistakes that might destroy your Amazon business. Let's dive in. It happens all the time. Everything is good to go and then bam, sales drop off. What happened? And the number one biggest reason is running out of stock. So if you're selling on Amazon and things are going up and up and up and up, and then you run out of stock, what happens is the first thing, you're gonna lose momentum. So once you get back in stock, even if you're quick about it, you are going to lose momentum. I can promise that. And if you lose momentum, all those daily sales that went from 1 a day to 2 a day to 3 a day are almost like lost, right? So it's gonna be hard. You're gonna have to build that momentum back up, which is possible. It's just a pain. So you gotta make sure you're on top of it. Also, it's gonna lower your search ranking. So Amazon's algorithm favors products that are consistently in stock. Right when you run out of stock, Amazon's gonna be putting competitors in front of you. You're gonna be losing your ranking and losing keywords that you worked so hard to rank for. And again, the worst part, this is the worst part that people don't tell you about running out of stock on inventory, is once you ship inventory into Amazon, so you run out, you ship it back in, Amazon checks in the inventory, but it won't be 2-day shipping. So Amazon will check it in early and it'll say Prime, it'll say ships from Amazon, but the delivery date is gonna be much longer than what it should be. It won't be 2-day shipping. It won't be 3-day shipping. This one is like 6-day shipping and it's Amazon Prime, right? And the reason why is because Amazon hasn't fully checked it in and dispersed it to all their fulfillment centers in the United States. So people are going to be clicking on your listing, but they're not gonna be buying because it's gonna take too long for it to arrive. Everybody wants 2-day shipping. So they're gonna be like, oh wait, but April 4th, next Friday, that's insane. That's 7 days away. It shouldn't take 7 days. I'm gonna find somebody else. So people are gonna click on your listing, not actually buy, which is going to destroy your ranking, right? So you can see April 4th, this one, get it tomorrow. 1 day compared to 7 days is a big difference. And that's just how Amazon works. Number 2 is you're not optimizing your keywords every 60 to 90 days. And I'm gonna be honest, almost nobody does this. Every time somebody hires our company, we're like, okay, when's the last time you optimized your title? Oh, it's been like this since I started. I'm like, oh my goodness, you gotta update your title, update your bullet points, your back-end keywords, all that good stuff every 60 to 90 days. And here's the reason why. If this is your product and you're like, I'm only generating $1,300 in sales, why aren't I ranking? Well, you can use a tool called Helium 10. And it's in the description if you want to check out Helium 10, get a free trial or a discount. But you're going to look at the Cerebro tool. You're going to put in your ASIN, okay? And we're going to say, okay, what's your rank? What's your rank, right? How's it going? And if it's below 800, if your organic rank is below 800, you're not doing good, okay? It has to be above 800. And I want you to compare yourself to your top competitors that are making more money than you, right? This means you're only showing up 493 times on Amazon. The minimum with our company is to get you to 800 minimum, right? So let's look at your top competitor. So you're generating 1,300. What's your top competitor? If we look at theirs and we run theirs in, so you're pretty much at 493. Your competitor is at 4,000. That's not double, that's not triple, that's much more than that. So you want to definitely be at a minimum of 800 and work your way up to the same organic ranking that your competitor. This means that they're showing up 4,000 times on Amazon. If somebody types in tea infuser, they show up. Tea infuser bottle, that's number 2, they're showing up again. Tea infuser gift, that they're showing up again. So you want to show up as many times organically on Amazon. The only way to do that is to cycle your keywords, get new keywords, find new keywords. We can actually pull this data right here and figure out exactly what this competitor is showing up for. What keywords are they showing up for, right? What are they ranking number 1 on? What are they ranking number 2? And we can look at our top 5 competitors on Amazon so we can see they're literally, here's the report directly from Helium 10. I'm giving you a quick synopsis. Okay, tea infuser bottle. Is ours a tea infuser bottle? If yes, we should be putting this in our title. This is getting 3,000 searches a month. So buyers are typing this in 3,458 times, and your competitor is showing up number 1. Now, what if you put this in your title, put it as close to the front of your title as possible? It's going to help you rank for this keyword if you're not already. You can also add it in your bullet points. You can add this one in your bullet points, your back-end search terms, things like that. Excuse me. So you want to be looking at what your competitors are ranking for, your top 5 competitors. I only showed you one. And then you want to see, okay, this is a big one, huge search volume. They're showing up number 1. I want to rank for this too, right? Big search volume above 1,000. I want to show up for the 2. Another big one, right? And we're gonna look down the list. This one's almost at 1,000. Do we have these in our listings? Is it in our title? Is it in our bullet points? Where is it on our listing? If it's not, you need to start cycling those keywords so you can improve your ranking and get to a minimum of 800, okay? And then number 3, and I see this a lot again, is not having an idiot-proof image and an idiot-proof title. And I need to explain each one so you understand. When we are looking at a listing, and you just look at this listing right away, you want to be able to show it to a kid that's 10 years old and say, what is this? What does it do? Just the image, just the first image. They can't see the title, they can't see the reviews, they can't see the secondary images, they can only see the first image. And you want them to understand right away what it is within less than a second. They should be like, energy gum. Right? They should know it right away. And if they can't do that, there's a problem. Also, this listing for some reason looks so damn small. It's like their secondary images is like so bad. But you can compare it to the competitors. This one's huge. Why is their first image so much better than yours? You really need to optimize your first image. This is the first thing people see. It's like making a first impression. You want it to be good. Next, your reviews need to be at least 3.5 or higher. If your reviews are below 3.5, this one's above it, but if your reviews are below 3.5, it's going to be so much harder to generate a sales and become successful. So if your reviews are below 3.5, fix your product, make it better. You can always launch a new listing, run Amazon Vine, right? You got to do something. You can't keep selling a product that sucks because it's going to cost so much money in the long run. And then last but not least is going to be the title, right? So sometimes what we're doing is we're only reviewing, as humans, we have a low attention span, especially in the US because of TikTok. We want to show exactly what it does right at the beginning. If you just showed somebody the title, the first, let's do 6 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Speed Lab, cinnamon extra strength caffeine. If I show this to, again, a 10-year-old, what is it? They're gonna probably say coffee, okay? If I just showed the title. This is not idiot proof. We want them to know exactly what it is in less than a second. Let's look at the top competitor. Nero Gum, energy caffeine gum. So this is, I'm gonna count this as 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first 6 words is pretty much this. This is pretty much the first 6 words. Nero Gum, energy caffeine gum, 54 pieces. You know exactly what it is in less than a second. It's energy gum with caffeine in it, and you get 54 pieces. Boom. So I really want you to work on that and making it idiot proof. That's definitely going to help. And if you look at the left and right of this one, there's the bullet points. I was like making sure it's fully optimized, right? Look at your top competitors and just triple check your top 5 competitors. Take a little bit from each, right? And make your listing better. Focus on your title, focus on your first image, and then focus on the rest. Make sure you're cycling keywords. Set a reminder every 60 to 90 days, getting towards that 800 rank. Utilize a tool like Helium 10, right? And then go from there. And that's it for today's video. What's the worst mistake you've ever made with your Amazon FBA business? Let's talk about it in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our Amazon Advertising Management Service. This is where we charge a low fee to manually optimize, create, and manage your ads. Our goal is to reduce ACoS, increase ROAS, and of course, get you a higher rank on Amazon to generate more sales. If you're interested in having one of our Amazon experts manage your ads, feel free to contact us in the description below. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.